Want to accept payments with Square on your website but feeling a little lost? Don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're talking about integrating Square with the awesome Paymattic plugin. Let's get this integration started step by step. You can find Square right here in the payment gateway. No brainer. See, there it is. Before we go any further, it's worth mentioning that this is a pro feature, so grab the pro subscription if you want this to work. Now, there are a couple of things that we need from the Square's developer dashboard. Just head over there and log into your account. Now, click the button that says Create an Application. It's like giving your payment system a cool nickname. Select what it's gonna do. I'll go with this one. Follow the rest of the steps and done. When everything is done, it's gonna take you to the dashboard. This is where you'll find your secret weapon, the sandbox access token. Copy that code, we'll need it in a minute. While you're there, make sure to change your API version as shown in Paymattic for a smooth transaction experience. Then, switch over to the Location tab on the left and grab your location ID. That's another key ingredient. Alright, now back to Paymattic. Here's where the magic happens. Paste your sandbox access token and location ID into the corresponding fields. Once everything's in place, hit Save Settings to seal the deal. The sandbox is for test purposes. For the real deal, you have to switch to Live and copy the keys from the Production tab. Time to set the webhook. Head back to your Square Developer dashboard and find the subscription settings in the webhook section. Now, add a new subscription and give it a cool name. Next, copy and paste the URL you found in Paymattic. It's like the secret handshake between Square and Paymattic. There'll also be an API version. Just choose the same one as in Paymattic. Finally, pick the events you want Square to tell Paymattic about. I'm just grabbing the essentials here. Once you're happy, hit Save and that's it. You're all set to accept payments with Square on your WordPress site. If you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to check out the Paymattic documentation or reach out to our support team. They're rock stars at helping you navigate the world of payments.